The flashing indicator light is controlled by pressing buttons to turn it on or off. The intelligent sensor light can activate all the light-emitting diodes through voice control. Voice-activated light, which is often used in hallways. Hi L.
What can I do for you?
Play music. Play music. Hi L.
Hi there.
Turn on the fan. Hi L.
Hi there.
Open the door.
Okay.
The notes in the air produce different pitches based on the varying contact distances. When the light sensor on the left is blocked once, it will continuously send hello 10 times. Messages are sent via UDP protocol, and the receiver on the right shows that it only received 3 messages. Long press for 1 second to turn on the electric fan. Long press for 1 second to turn off the electric fan.